How to fix Snapchat not working in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection will be work properly or not. Here you can check my internet connection will be work properly. After checking internet connection, swipe down to control center and turn on and turn off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, your Snapchat will be work properly. And if it doesn't work properly, then open settings and go in general and open software update, and here you can check your latest iOS version will be updated or not. If the latest iOS version will not be updated, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open App Store, and here you can check your Snapchat will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings and click on screen time and click on content and privacy restrictions. If you turn this button on, then turn this button off. After turning this button off, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.